Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show. Today I've got a good one for you. We're going to do something for Halloweeny, and that is I'm going to show you guys how to make a resin pumpkin, and it's really easy. And I think I only paid like maybe $5 for the mold, maybe 6, but either way it was super cheap, so I like that. So anyways, all you're going to need is a mold and some resin and some colors that you want to put in there, and that's it. So here we go. Okay, so I already mixed up the resin, as you can see. So I didn't use a whole lot because this is our mold, and then I used this orange here and this, what does this say? Copper. Okay, so I mixed those together right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and do a slow pour and hope that this is enough. Oh shit. Okay, so obviously, as you can tell, we don't have enough. All right, that's okay. All right, so we're gonna just use the rest of this up, and then I'm gonna make a little bit more resin. And I think I'm gonna put some yellow and maybe a little bit of gold in there too, and see what we get with that. Okay, so I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so I went ahead and mixed up this yellow and gold. Okay, so here's the yellow, and this is the gold, and look how pretty that looks. Can you see that? So we're just gonna go ahead and pour that right in the middle. Okay, so we do have more left, which I figured would happen. So I'm gonna run over there and grab a couple of different molds real quick. You guys ever hear that phrase, sleep with one eye open? Did you know that that's really what a dolphin does? They sleep with one eye open. That's because their brain never goes fully to sleep. It's always like half awake at all times. It never fully disengages, and that's because they live in the sea, obviously, and they have to come up to the surface every once in a while to get some air. And so then they sleep with one eye open so they can always be aware of predators and whatever else is going on down there. And now you know. Okay, so I have this one, it's a little tiny bowl. Then I have this one, it's a little tiny plate. And then we'll just see what we have left over, if any. Can you see this? Let's make sure you can see it. Okay. Okay, so that one's done. And now Can you see this? You can hopefully, hold on. Okay, now we'll do this one. Okay, so this is the 3 pieces that we made tonight. I'm gonna try to bring this closer. All right, so when we come back in our standard 24-hour time, we will demold and see what we get. Okay. We made it. It's finally time for our big reveal. These all feel really good. So let's go ahead and start with our pumpkin. Ooh. It looks pretty. Oh, look, looks like a little weenus. Hello. Okay, Fifi. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. All right, now we'll go ahead and do the little plate. Well, dang. There we go. Oh, look at the pattern. Pretty. Okay, and now the little tiny bowl. Oh, look how cute. Isn't that cute? So that's it. That's all you have to do. And now you can have a cute little pumpkin and a little plate and a little tiny little bowl. So that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for coming to the show. I hope you had fun, and I can't wait to see if you guys do this too. So if you do, send me some pictures.